so close to the estimated level. And that's correct. I am just finishing that.
Hi guys, my name is Anna and I am a trader in binary options. And I want to tell you one good news. I have free Telegram channels, absolutely free, where I post signals and we can actually trade together. I'm just welcoming all of you who are into it or interested to just follow my links and find my Telegram channels to trade together.
Hi guys, my name is Anna and I'm right there at my favorite place to be. We're going to be trading, we're going to be testing ourselves, we're going to be testing the market, and we're going to learn. The main thing for us right there is to learn something. Or maybe just remember something that we just already forgot. That's many options. But we need to be a little bit better than we just were before. That's it. Sorry. Let's get it started. I'm in a blanket. And here's under the table is my hottest coffee possible, and I'm just trying to warm myself up and be alive, because when you are freezing, you are literally, like a freezing. ATR is gonna be the first one. Been using that not that long time ago. Quotex gonna be the second. Kind of love Quotex, and I don't know if it's gonna be the first or the last video, but I got the combination of the ATR and ADX, which is, I cannot say that it's like the same with the Quotex, but there's quite a thing about them. And super trend is gonna be not doubling but tripling, and latest the currency pairs with the biggest payouts, all covered with the goosebumps because I'm freezing even in a blanket. Maybe after and the next videos you're gonna open it, I'm gonna be like in the winter clothes and the two blankets under the two blankets. So this is it. This is our trading. Cannot say that it's gonna be the easiest because all these indicators by itself a little bit complicated. I mean, for the prognosis, not for the reading it, but for the using it. And three of them together are going to be all simplifying version of all these indicators, or that's going to be more difficult than decisions. So let's try it anyway. And this is our first position. I think that's obvious. For me, that's obvious that we are just at the bottom. Look at the vortex. The moment when the lines are crossing, that's a moment, but I'm just looking for the second crossing and just like, I don't need that. Thanks God, I don't need that. ATR, a little bit. So with the ATR, actually, we are watching this ending of the line because with some periods, and I must say 8 right here, and I use 8 kind of frequently. Sometimes it is just repeating the chart, and sometimes like here, it is like, what's that? What's that about? So this is just slowly growing and growing and growing. Yeah, let's finish it. What about the super trend? Guys, we are still falling down according to that indicator. And that's correct. We're getting all chart position. Of course, we are at the bottom. That's true. No offense. Let's go further. How about this one? Well, look at the vortex. The lines are open, so we can see the open gate, and it's playing and changing, but I don't feel like closing right now. And I think and super trend here is kind of nice. And if I put all my graphics, on it, you can see some hills, some waves, and I think we still have a little bit like downward and still downward. We need to get, and being right here, entering just in the middle, that's the risk, but that was my assumption we're gonna get. So this is actually the long trend of getting downward. And vortex just proving. Of course, at some places that was kind of close, but right here, with this open mouth, that's kind of alligator for us. I know how many 6 seconds. That's actually a lot. But actually a lot when you are so close to the estimated level. Okay, girl. Okay, boy. That's So the vortex actually denies it. That's us. Gonna be raising it just to make it just to split it for 2 bets. And look at this. The crossing of the vortex just happened. We had the peak, the super trend just showing to us we're gonna get downward. And look at this candle. Who cares? Like, who cares? But I think it's quite nice and visible that we're still gonna be continuing that trend. Maybe that's gonna be the letter. That's just fine for us, and even ATR. So let's check it. Yeah, that's not that drastic. We are not just like, sliding, falling, rushing, running. No, we are just calmly and carefully getting downward to get this profit. And this is the game changer, raising it. Okay, what about this one? The crossing just happened, and it was a while ago, and that crossing was for the downward trend. Crossing right now just not about to happen, seems like it, and I cannot say that I was expecting that so fast, just because the lines were close, but ATR started to give a little bit like that. And right here, look at the super trend. I think super trend right here, one of the most useful indicators, because it is showing us all these hills, and it is giving us the info that we may continue maybe with this smaller frequency, and that's important. Sometimes that is happening, so that line indicators just run on the chart, sometimes quite useful. And how can I tell you, how can I give you the tools, the instruments just to hack it, just to see what I see? I don't know, sometimes that's the intuition, sometimes that's absorbing, because before entering, I'm checking the chart, not for too long, because all that, decisions, even if you work correct, that could be too late because you entered just too late and it's changed. So right here, I do recommend the vortex. And one more. I'm gonna play just for the downward trend, that's gonna be continuing. Look at the super trend. Just showed us the crossing just happened. You can see that that was even one more before, and of course anything could happen. What about the ATR? ATR just like we're gonna be rising, girl, and I truly don't think so. Look at it, smooth and long, and just this breaking upward trend, and seem like, yeah, we're gonna be that. Maybe that can be the dirty one. So that's gonna be switching and changing, and green and orange, but we're still gonna be keeping that. 20 seconds, still the latest one gonna be finished, and that's a lot. But we are getting far and far from the estimated level, and that's what we actually been waiting for. Let's take the first ones. Okay, you are about do whatever you want, because I am just finishing that. So guys, just done. I don't know. I don't even have lots of things to say, just because I kind of like that. That was nice and smooth, but maybe that's my mood today. I'm a little bit like stoned and freezing, and I'm so out of this, big and especially negative emotions. But these negative emotions actually can warm you up. So maybe I need to consider that. I have one more trade in today, and maybe I'll try it. That's it. Bye.